Greetings, Mark Bernier. We're going to be looking at how we can create a table in our web page. Yes, very important. So we're going to create the page and then we're going to go add something to the table. Yes, so very important. We're going to guide you through this particular process right here. All right, so if you notice right here, Visual Studio Code. So this is what we're going to actually use. So I actually have it open in my desktop right here. So I'm going to bring it up. All right, so definitely this is exactly how it looks like. So we have a new file right here, a new folder right here, open file, open folder. So we're going to click on new. Notice it appear up here. So we're going to put in the name, right? So we're going to send web page dot html. All right, we're going to click right here. That's it, file, right? So we're going to make sure receive it right here on the desktop. So create file right here. All right, so right away it gives us the option, right? If I minimize it, all right, this is it on the desktop right here. All right, so we're going to go up. All right, so we're going to put in the tag. So we'll say HTML. Now we're going to close it. We're going to press enter. We're going to put in head. Just like that, we're going to close it. We're going to press enter again. Then we're going to put the title. We're going to close it. So in between it, I can type my web page. Right? No, I can actually come down right here now. I can press enter again. We're going to put the word body because everything that we're going to do, we're going to put it in the body. All right, we're going to close that. We press enter. So everything going to actually go through the body, right? So what we want, we're going to put in the table element now, right? All right, so put in the table right here now, right? So we're going to put in the word border, right? And then we're going to put, hold on, let me go down right here with this one first. All right, and press enter. Go down right just with this one and close it up. Just the same. All right, press enter. Let me move back this one. All right, so put it in between here. So now, table, then put the word border, just like that. What you want to do, put the word, you put equal, quotation, double quotation, right, is you put the one in between, right? Then you press enter, and you go down here, right? So you're gonna put it TR right here. Remember, right here. So this is what you actually do that. So press enter. You're gonna put TH. So this is what actually create the rows and all of that. Right. So in between here now, we can put the word class right here. Alright, so come to the end now. Press enter now. And a TH right here. There, close it. Just the same. I'm gonna type school. Just the same. Go to the end. We're gonna press enter. The same thing, I'm gonna put TH right there. I'm gonna close it. Right. So we're gonna put the word books. Now, when you put your books now, we wanna save it. So we wanna come all right up here. We're gonna click on the file. We're going to comment this and click save. Now we actually have this. We're going to minimize this. We're going to open this page here and see what's going on the web page. We're going to right click on it. We're not going to click on the word open. We're going to click right here to open with. So we're going to open it with Google Chrome. All right, so this is actually your web page. You notice right here? You notice actually see it formatting so far? Yes, so this is exactly what it looks like. All right. So let me bring up back this stuff. and see exactly what's going on right here, right? So definitely now I wanted to do a different row. So on the bottom right here, right, I want to put just the same, close it, press enter, all right, and then we're gonna put th, h right there, right? We're gonna put something inside here. So we're gonna put red here, come at the end, right? And put the th again, right? Close it. So we're gonna put red black. I'll come at the end, press enter, go down again, then bracket, put in a th, and there close it, right? Red pink, that's the same. So now we're gonna save it right here, the same, right? So I want to bring up back the thing, you notice? Just come right here and refresh it. You notice right here? Sure, right down here, notice these are capital and this are not capital. Let make some adjustment right there. Right. So I can actually move the command R and put capital R. Just like that. I can move the command B, put capital B, move the P and put capital P. Right up here. Then literally move it like that. Then we can go up and try to move the plus. Right. So remember when you finish, you just save. You go right back to it so far. Then we're gonna press refresh. You notice? Now we have our table here, unique. Right? So when I open my web page, I see these stuff. Yes, you might wonder how them get it. But you know, you can also insert photo inside of it just to see it. Alright. So this is definitely how you create a table, right? So I can put a different setting that just the same. Right. Go back again. TR. And you also look for it now the third one. Right here, press enter. Then we're gonna put TH right there. We're gonna close that right there. So we're gonna put something here. Let me correct that. All right. Right over to the end. Press enter and put it back in TH. Gonna close it. Then we're gonna put right there. Go to the end. Press enter. All right. TH. Just the same. You're gonna close it. Just the same. All right. Let me put the capital there. Put the capital there. All right. Good. So we're gonna save that. Just the same. We're gonna bring it up and then we're gonna do refresh it like this. Good. So this is how it actually look right here. So we can continue, we can actually put a paragraph below it. Right? So in order for us to put a paragraph below it, all right, let me see if we can create some paragraph right in Microsoft Word so that I can actually put it here. All right, so let me get some paragraph there. There one or two paragraphs. All right, so we're gonna get this one right here. We're gonna cut it off and minimize that. All right, so right below you right there, so now we're gonna put P right here for paragraph and close that. So on whatever cut, we're gonna put it right in between the middle right here. So we're gonna right click and this is self space. You notice right in between it. So what we wanted to do, we wanted to save it. Then we're going to see exactly how it look on the page so far. Right, so run refresh. Right, so this is it for our paragraph right here. Notice, right? Very important. So this is it for our paragraph. Right there, definitely on the page. Right, so when you go back again in it, you notice exactly where I can actually scroll up just the same. Yes, right, so very important. Right there. All you do all of this, right? So very important here. So this is exactly how you actually create it. Right, so that's exactly how it look right here on it. So thanks for watching. See you in the next video.